Welcome to day 28. If you've not followed this series, please go back to day 1 and walk through to day 28. Today's video is about ahola. Ahola. Ahola is suddenly and without warning. Ogul mama ne opade ahola nono. Ogul mama ne opade ahola nono. So the police slapped him suddenly, without warning. The second one is aida. Aida or nyaida. Nyaida. So that disease is called eczema, aida or nyaida. Lueti otimo tuo mar nyaida. Lueti otimo tuo mar nyaida. And the third word is aida. Aida. Aida is a squirrel. Aida okunyo rabuon kagima tieko. Aida okunyo rabuon kagima tieko. So the squirrel has dug out almost all the potatoes. Our fourth word of the day is aika. Aika. It's a headband made from ostrich feathers. Aika. Aika. And our last word of the day is aika. Aika. Owuotho aika, ochomo dala komolo. Owuotho aika, ochimo dala komolo. Owuotho aika, ochimo dala komolo. He's hurrying to Omolo's home. Aika. Aika. And that's it for the day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet tomorrow for day number 29.